In this video, let's discuss whether it's useful to use berms or tree wells around our trees. They're oftentimes installed in conjunction with bubblers, which can put out way too much water at one time. You can see in this tree well, it's overflowing and eroding away the berm, and it's been doing that all the way down all of these trees that were planted. You can also see that the berms are only 2 feet away from the tree trunk, and the trees have massively outgrown that space, which means that that water is not actually being put where it needs to be, which is out to the drip line of the tree. You can see in this case, now these trees are already almost 14 feet in diameter. So that area that it's getting watered needs to be much larger. The berms would be much more useful if they were downhill in just a half berm shape so that it captures the rainwater that comes across the landscape through this area. They're really not useful just being so close up to the tree like that. So we're going to put in a berm here to capture this. We're able to use some materials that are on site, just some rocks that have been gathered, and then we'll dig out that existing berm and move it outwards into what's called a boomerang berm. Next, we're going to put into place the only type of drip tubing I ever recommend. This is called Netafim Tech Line. It holds up really well. It's very consistent on the amount of water that it puts out. It actually has built-in pressure compensating emitters. And by doing them in these loops, we get really good uniform watering exactly where the tree roots actually are for these trees. Not so close to the trunk, but outwards out to the drip line. Once that is covered, then we're able to fill it all with a fine composted mulch. This is going to decompose down into the soil, improving the biology of the soil, and this will also hold the mulch back when it rains from washing away. We see a lot of problems with the way that trees are planted and cared for. So we created this guide that we'll link in the description. And also, if you're in the Tucson area, we can help take care of a lot of these things for you. You can follow and subscribe for more gardening and tree care tips.